Christian. What you doing? Huh? Christian. That's his smile. Hey, Christian. He makes this real funny face when he smiles. Christian. Hey. He is smiling, y'all. He's smiling. Oh, God. You watching television? What you got going here? Oh, yeah. That's cool, boo. Christian. I'm gonna get him some snacks. I think I have like some dry cereal or something in here. I don't know. Let me see. Yep. Got these. We got some like Reese's cereal, Reese's Puffs. Do you like those? The kids love these dry cereal. I do too. They're pretty good. Hey, Christian. Say bye-bye. 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 Christian. Bye-bye. He has his brother Wakanda blanket. Wakanda. What is this superhero guy? Oh my God, I can't even think of his name. But you know the movie. Oh, Black Panther. Yeah, Black Panther. I bought his brother this blanket. It's nice. So yeah, we're just gonna sit here and eat snacks until I'm gonna do some stuff around the house until they get home. And we're just having a relaxed day, I guess, today. So, okay. Hey, Matt. Y'all out of school? What y'all doing? Y'all just watching television?
Yep.
What y'all watching? Christian got back in his seat today.
Snipers.
Snipers. How was your day at school?
Good. Great.
Yeah. What about you, Val?
Bad.
Why?
Good.
Yeah. We just hanging. Just hanging. We missing Raven.
We finna do another challenge though. We need to.
Huh?
We need to do a challenge this week.
Like, what are we gonna do? I don't know.
Probably on Wednesday, but I don't know. I guess like, actually, we can't say this on camera because we don't want people to know.
Okay. Well, maybe we need to come up with some ideas. Did y'all get your report card?
No.
Raven got hers. You know, she got her all A's and 1B. What you watching now, Matthew?
Oh, still Snipers. Well, from the lens, I was like,
Who?
Snipers.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Come on, Christian. What y'all watching?
Oh, we was watching Snipers.
What's the matter? Oh.
I think
what's going on, guys? Tennis here. Today I am bringing you Call of Duty Black Ops 3 Custom Zombies map. This is actually a Minecraft challenge. Just noticing right now, zombies map, which means the zombies are never going to stop spawning. They infinitely spawn. We're never going to have a break in between rounds.
I'm back with the
We're
wig.
sectioned up into different areas, so we've got like a little bit too fancy right there.
Christian,
Make sure
what's the
he backs
matter?
up and learns his place.
You crying? You got food all
I
over
gotta
your
really be careful
mouth?
knifing these zombies too. I should probably go ahead
What's
and box
happening
them.
with
Go ahead and do
you?
that right now. Try to get as many knives on these
You
guys
don't
as I
watch
can.
TV?
Oh god, no!
You had your
Guys,
snack?
I almost went down right there. Alright, I gotta go ahead and get that insta kill. Okay, thank God. Yo, get an inside.
Hey,
You
Blurry.
ABC song today?
Perfect.
live stream doing this video. Make sure
You
you guys
say
go
your
ahead and drop a
ABC
like. I
song
really
today?
appreciate it. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to
I
the
do.
channel if you're new. I love bringing you guys custom zombies content. It's super fun. I really enjoy bringing this stuff to you guys.
He done. He
Yeah,
said I'm
she has
done.
notifications on as well, so you never
I
miss a
think
video.
Raven is outside. What time it is?
That's Raven.
Let's go see. Try to catch Raven off the bus. Oh no. That's a truck. What's the matter? We have a spoiled baby. He's spoiled. Nothing's wrong. He's not hungry or anything. Come on.
Almost got it. No, dude, the box costs 3,000. Holy crap. Why does the box cost that much?
What's the
No
matter?
idea. Alright, I kind of want to go. I'm going to buy the RK5 here. Actually, just because I really need to make sure I can kill these zombies a little bit faster. I'm probably actually going to pick that up. Alright, I'm going to get another quest. Actually, go ahead, open up that door, get to Jug, and then we're just probably going to move forward from there.
Hey, movie. Me and Raven arguing about her choir fee. She claims that she don't remember me paying the choir fee. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't. It doesn't matter if you remember or not.
Come on, Raven. Coming.
Where y'all going? What y'all going to do?
Oh, we were just going outside. We made that new idea. We hooked the rope up to the motorcycle. Then I got my longboard and hold on and put I lay down like this, like a penguin, and then I hold it on. And then I drive there on the motorcycle.
All right, see y'all later. Matthew is camera perfect. He's scared to talk. He's gonna like get in the camera. So dark over here.
But I'm not gonna be like
Ooh, this is cool, Raven.
a person that is like a scientist with cameras. So,
You never know. What you mean?
cause like I like either want to be football, or basketball, mostly basketball.
But what you
You can do more than one things in life.
Be in football.
What? No, I do because I
What?
was.
Did you check out that thing for the YMCA? I've been wanting to tell you that.
What?
The swimming.
Oh, you don't get your.
I've been wanting to take swimming lessons for a long time.
Raven, you got a rope on your motorcycle.
I know that.
But what you doing with the rope, Raven? They the coolest kids I know, man. Where y'all going? Guess they gonna do some tricks or something. I don't know. Oh, y'all about to race? I'ma count for y'all. Oh no, wait a minute. I think he hooking his board up. He hooking his Oh my god, who does this? Oh my god. Oh, these kids come up with some stuff. Oh my goodness. Did y'all see that? I wasn't expecting that. See? That's so creative. Oh my God. They coming back. Here they come. Oh God. I swear I was not expecting this. My children. They coming back. Oh God. Oh, Matthew done hurt himself. They trying to get hooked up. It seems like they having a hard time getting it hooked back up again. They coming now. Do y'all see this? Oh my God, man. Matthew, whose idea was this? Now they switching. Raven getting on the longboard and Matthew's getting on the bike, the motorcycle. They silly. Uh-oh, we got a baby. How did he get out the house? Oh! Christian, how did you get out the house? Oh, how did you get out? Come on. I guess we left the door open. All right, we're gonna let them play and go in now. How did you get out? Christian. You got out the door? You been sleeping? Hey guys, I made some what we had in the ice box. I'm confused. I think I'm gonna make like the turkey tomorrow. Yeah, so I started buying turkey ground meat, and then I had like some salmon that was left over, and probably gonna do something with that. I don't know, but I just made these for like a little snack. They're tater tots. Yeah, and oh, this shit getting out of focus. Yeah, so I just made these for a little snack. We're eating on these. They're good. Christian, you eating your snack? Christian, Lavelle is asleep. Raven, she's on the phone, of course, and watching DK4L. Let's see what Matthew is doing. Hey, Matthew. What you doing?
Playing Phantom Forces.
Who?
Phantom Forces. It's on Roblox.
Oh, okay. Alright, so that's our day today. We just had a laid back day. Matthew and Raven did go outside for a little while, so I hope y'all enjoyed that. It's the crew. Holla.